Have you ever felt stuck? Like the world is moving fast and you're left behind, watching others get ahead with skills you don't have yet? Have you ever looked at online jobs and thought, I wish I could do that. I wish I had those skills. I wish I knew where to start. Maybe you've seen people working from home, earning money, feeling free, and you wondered, how did they learn all that? What's the secret? The truth is, learning new skills for online jobs is not just for experts, not just for tech people, not just for the lucky ones. It's for anyone, including you. It's not about being the smartest, it's about being the most consistent. It's not about knowing everything today, it's about starting today. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you open your laptop, and instead of rushing to a job you don't like, you open an online job platform and you get paid for something you learned last month or even last week. What if I told you that your life could change completely in the next 30 days if you gave just 1 hour a day to learning a new skill? Think about that. 1 hour a day. That's the same time we spend scrolling social media or watching videos. What if that 1 hour could unlock freedom, confidence, and income? So now the question is, where do you begin? What skills should you learn? How do you learn fast and without money? And how do you keep going when it gets hard? First, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. They wait. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect course, the perfect motivation. But there's no perfect time. The best time is now. You don't need a fancy laptop, you don't need to pay thousands of dollars, and you don't need to know everything to begin. What you need is belief. Belief that you can learn. Belief that your brain can grow. Belief that your life is still under your control. Let me tell you something powerful. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The more you challenge it, the more it grows. When you learn something new, even if it's hard, your brain is literally changing. That's called neuroplasticity. It means no matter your age or background, your brain can adapt, you can grow, you can learn. But here's the twist. Learning a new skill doesn't start with studying. It starts with a reason. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn this? Is it to earn more money? To help my family? To build confidence? To prove to yourself that you're not giving up? When your reason is strong, your motivation becomes unstoppable. And now, here's how you can start. Begin with free platforms. YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, Khan Academy, and many more. These platforms have thousands of free videos and courses. Search for beginner courses in skills like graphic design, video editing, social media management, virtual assistant tasks, content writing, email marketing, customer service, coding, data entry, or whatever excites you. Watch one video a day. Take notes. Practice what you see. Don't just watch, do. Every small step counts. Then, pick one skill and go deeper. Focus. Don't try to learn everything at once. If you're learning Canva for graphic design, use it daily. If you're learning writing, write something small every day. If you're learning social media, try managing a small page or account. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying. Mistakes mean you're growing. Mistakes are not signs of failure, they're signs of effort. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be present. You need to show up daily. Even for 20 minutes, even when you're tired, even when it feels slow, because slow progress is still progress. And here's a secret. The people who succeed online are not the fastest learners. They are the ones who didn't stop. They kept learning, kept practicing, kept improving. They didn't give up when no one believed in them. They didn't quit when it got boring or hard. They saw the bigger picture. They saw freedom. They saw their future self, and you can do that too. But what about fear? What about the fear of not being good enough, smart enough, skilled enough? Let me tell you, everyone starts as a beginner. Every expert was once confused. Every freelancer once made $0. You don't need confidence to start. You build confidence by starting. Start messy. Start scared. Start with doubt. Just start. Because the act of starting builds courage. And as you keep going, something magical happens. You get better. You start understanding more. You start creating more. You begin to help others. You begin to earn. And suddenly, you're not just learning skills, you're building a new life. A life where you control your time, a life where you can work from anywhere, a life where your efforts bring rewards. But don't do this journey alone. Find online communities, join Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Discord servers. Talk to people who are also learning, ask questions, share your wins, help others. You'll feel less alone and more inspired. And always remember this: comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Focus on your journey. Celebrate your progress. Be kind to yourself. Give yourself permission to learn slowly. And now, here's a quick list of life hacks to speed up your learning. First, use Pomodoro technique. Learn for 25 minutes, rest for 5, then repeat. Second, teach what you learn. When you explain a skill to someone else, you understand it better. Third, break big skills into small parts. Learn one part at a time. Fourth, stay curious. Ask why and how. Explore deeper. Fifth, stay away from distractions when learning. Turn off notifications. Create a peaceful space. And lastly, reward yourself. After every learning session, give yourself something small, like a treat or a break. Make learning feel good, and your brain will want more of it. And when you feel like quitting, when you feel tired or lost, remember this: you are doing something powerful. You are building a new version of yourself, a version that can adapt, a version that doesn't wait, a version that moves forward no matter what. You are not behind, you are just getting started. You are not too late, you are right on time. And if no one told you this today, let me tell you now: I believe in you. You have what it takes. You are capable. You are strong. You are not stuck. You are growing. So take that first step. Pick one skill. Learn one lesson. Do one small thing today and keep going. Because small steps, done daily, lead to big results. The internet is full of chances. You just have to grab one. And your future self will thank you. One day you'll look back and say, "I'm so glad I didn't wait. I'm so glad I started." So what's stopping you now? Open that laptop, search for that first lesson, write your goal down, say it out loud: I am learning this skill. I will not stop. I will not give up. I am becoming better. And when you do that, you'll feel something shift inside. You'll feel hope. You'll feel strength. You'll feel power. Because learning new skills is not just about jobs, it's about who you become in the process. The confidence, the clarity, the courage, it all grows with you. And the best part is, the more you grow, the more you can help others grow too. That's how real success is built. That's how online freedom is created. That's how dreams are turned into reality. The strong life lesson is this: you don't need to be perfect to begin, you just need to begin to become better. And the moral of this story is simple: growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from action. So if this touched your heart, if you felt something move inside you, then don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. Take action now. Hit the like button if you believe you can learn something new, subscribe if you're ready to grow, and comment below what skill you're going to start learning today. Join this journey with us. Be part of this mission. This is your time, this is your path, and together, we are going to grow. Welcome to How to Grow,